Uh, Today I have a 2011 Nissan Altima, and I want to show you what is the fuse for the EC, and also how to check the EC compressor. So the EC fuse is like, if you go here, see the air condition. Let me turn the light off. See where is the air condition. Number 41 is this one, air condition, 10 ampere. Here's the one down here, this one, 10 amp. And if you want to check the EC compressor, if the clutch kicking or no, you're gonna disconnect this, the IBDM. You push this kit right here, put it up. You see this white wire right there, this white wire. You just to give it a 12 volt, and you should hear a click, like if you have the Pro. Just give it a 12 volt and it should kick. If you don't have this one, you can just use a battery, but you have to disconnect this one first. You cannot do it when it's inside the fuse box. You don't want to burn the BCM or anything. You have to disconnect it first, and to connect the wire, a positive wire, to this white wire right here. Is white and gray actually, and the first one down here, and you should hear a, oh sorry, the second one right there, right here, and you should hear a click. The clutch should be engaged, the EC compressor clutch. That's how you know if the EC compressor working. Instead of go down and remove the engine shield or the cover in the bottom, and it's too tight to get to the AC compressor connector. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.